Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Botim call history in 2026. Now, in order to do this, first of all, you need to launch your Botim application on your phone. Then you need to simply sign in into your account like you normally do. Now, make sure that you are using the updated version of the application because the menu locations can change between the versions. Now, when you are inside, you will see this calls option here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. So you just have to simply tap on it. Now on this particular page, you are going to see all of your incoming, your outgoing and all of your missed calls history. So in order to remove one call entry, you just have to simply press and hold that particular call record that you want to delete. Now, as soon as you press that particular contact, the delete or the remove option will be appear in front of you. Now, you just have to simply tap on the option of delete in order to remove that particular call from the history. Now, some of the Botim versions also allow you to select the multiple call records together. So you can also tap on the edit option or select option, and then you can choose multiple entries in order to delete them at once. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.